to cancel Audible membership step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get to the browser audible.com, or you can even open the application on your phone, and then here what you're going to do is make sure that you are signed in or logged into your account, right? So after successfully logging into your account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see right here. So after tapping on this profile icon, you'll actually be able to see the option of your membership box. What you're going to do is simply scroll down until you find that option, and then simply tap on your membership. And after tapping on your membership, you'll actually be able to see the option of cancel membership if you again scroll all the way down. So simply tap on cancel membership, and then you can follow step-by-step screen until you receive the confirmation. So all you need to do is simply follow the on-screen prompt, and then you'll eventually get into the part where you'll need to confirm it. Simply confirm it, and just like that, you'll actually be able to cancel your Audible membership. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.